Welcome back to Creative Electron for another TruView app video. And so we're taking a look at batteries today. Now we've looked at batteries of cell phones, but standard AA battery is going to give us a good idea of what goes on inside a battery and what we're looking for when we're expecting defects. So we're going to load it inside of our TruView Prime. TruView Prime has a 12 by 12 inch viewable area if we need to load larger samples. In this case, for this sample, what I'm going to do is I'm going to load it onto our auto rotate fixture. So we're going to be able to rotate the sample within the field of view and check out exactly what's going on inside the battery. So I got the battery loaded into the TruView Prime, and we can see right away the rod going into the cathode and the fill, how much it fills up inside the battery. That's critical for these battery manufacturers, so that it gets full to the max what it should be. We can also identify these weld seams on the case of the batteries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it inside the field of view. We can see a small amount of voiding up at the top near the cap, but other than that, it looks pretty good. If I go to the other end, we can see where the rod's attached, see the housing of the battery, make sure the crimping's secure and in the correct placement. So this battery looks pretty good. Thanks again for watching. Check out our other app videos at creativeelectron.com. Thanks.
Creative Electron.